For students, each department of Rajalakshmi institutions belongs to an ecosystem of contemporary buildings sprawled across acres of greenery.
What we're going to do is go through where you need to register.
And amidst this expansive campus, Rajalakshmi institutions played host to the 34th World Universities Debating Championship, the largest annual international student event in the world.
Though this is an engineering institution, we believe that an all-round progress is needed for any student. They should know what is happening around. Debating is one forum through which, one form through which knowledge can be delivered the right way. And because of this, and ever since we started the institution, we always wanted to give little vent for the students to express themselves freely on any subject. So we have every Independence Day we have a debating competition.
I looked at the World Debating Championships where it has occurred in the last 34 years. It's occurred in 15 countries, and if you see in some countries it has happened several times. And these are all smaller countries like United Kingdom and Ireland and so on. I think Indian students should participate much more, and India should host this kind of debating championships much more often.
Is A, one who has to be selected in a greeting part of the institution, and B, someone that is responsible.
Students from 60 countries participated in the world's largest debating tournament held in India for the first time, an opportunity offered by Rajalakshmi institutions.
Has been, I would say, the biggest and the best opportunity that I could probably ask for in my entire life. Organizing an event of this magnitude, I mean, you are providing accommodation, food, transportation for 1,500 international students, and that is a huge responsibility, and this is essentially a student-run event. So, you know, the entire onus of organizing this event is on us, and to be given this opportunity at such a young age gives us so much to learn for, because we are interacting with people who are experienced, people who are already in the management business or in HR, who are experienced, who know what is to be done. So to be under them and to keep learning from them, from not only from international volunteers, international organizing members, but even our own college students who are passed out, who have been effectively working on this for the past 2 years. It's very it gives us great pleasure in being a part of this organization. It brings us all together, because as an engineering college, you don't get to host or participate in a lot of cultural events because of the academic pressures. So this has given us a venue and shown that yes, engineering colleges themselves can also be a part of such debating tournaments, can host them, can participate in them, and can provide a name for them.
Well, some of its students are excellent. The campus is very useful for debates. There was an auditorium which was nicely in place for it. So hopefully many other students will continue to come to the campus in future.
I believe it's a world-class championship, and I expect that the competition will be very good, and those who are watching I think participating from India will really learn quickly, and I hope that India will become a very serious contestant globally. And also I think it's the culture of debating that's very important. And they bring the British parliamentary style, and as debating is not new to India. We've had it for thousands of years. It's been in our culture, but I think we have to really encourage this a lot more.
The event conducted at Rajalakshmi College's campus was inaugurated by Dr. K. Rozaiah, Governor of Tamil Nadu. Students who like to read about current affairs and argue on controversial topics, hailing from Harvard, Yale, Stanford and Oxford, were welcomed for debating on Indian soil.
It's a pleasure to inaugurate the World University Debating Championship 2013, hosted by the Rajalakshmi institutions, and to address this distinguished gathering and students here this evening. At the outset, I congratulate the Rajalakshmi institutions and the World University Debating Forum for organizing this great event in India, and that too in Tamil Nadu for the first time. We are one of the largest democracies and the second most populous country in the world. India is one of the world's oldest civilizations, yet a very young nation.
A debate competition representing students from 60 countries
Trying to overplace those communities and make them play combat.
Next round has finished.
involved 9 preliminary rounds, where strong performing teams fought against each other. Scored on their performances by students or former students from competing institutions, these selected teams were then finally sent to the finale of Chennai Worlds.
Phenomenal. I mean, you come to Worlds and it is just a selection of the best teams imaginable. You're getting to hear the best ideas from people all over the world and really get to engage in the type of cross-cultural exchange that we all hear about and wanna get to take part of. And it's really just amazing to have a chance to do it here.
I would say it's Worlds, so obviously the experience is top level and it's wonderful. And I'm really privileged, and I thank for Rajalakshmi for giving me a chance to be over here and get exposed to this wonderful scenario and the amount of people that I'm meeting over here. I would say that the Worlds has brought about a significant and a wonderful exposure, not only to Rajalakshmi on the whole, but to the entire debating societies over here in Chennai as well as in India on the whole.
Chennai Worlds, a debate competition that turned out to be a key form of civic engagement.
The Chennai Worlds are an amazing example how a debating tournament that has been in many cities so far has now moved to India, inspiring change and interesting thoughts for everyone who's participating.
The good thing about debating is generally that you get smarter every day and that you have the possibility to meet awesome people who never stop to astonish you how smart they are and what you can learn about the world.
This is actually my first Worlds, and it's just an amazing experience debating against all these other people that I'm just not used to, with the same room as English as as primary language. It was just a new experience for me, and it was just wonderful. I learned a lot.
1,500 students from across the world were under one roof.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a great standing ovation to the inexhaustible one and only Marietta Gettipak.
But it's the winners who took it all away. A place of learning, an institute of excellence, and a platform of opportunities. Clearly, these qualities are a testimony to Rajalakshmi Institution's vision, a vision to ensure a brighter tomorrow.